Okay, so this is in preparation for tomorrow's dinner. I have 2 Cornish hens. These are my apocalypse little chickens that I'm gonna go through now because I'm getting sick and tired of having all that in the freezer. And then because they're so tiny, I'm gonna put 2 chicken breasts. So I'm using cilantro, and I'm gonna put half of each in these Ziploc bags to marinate overnight. And then in here is chopped onions. I put in some soy sauce and a little bit of mustard. And what else, Layla? Some orange juice. I don't have orange juice. I use tangerines and I just squeeze them. I use about 3. So we'll see. We'll see how this comes out tomorrow. So here they are. There are 2 Ziploc bags. I put half of each chicken and ingredients in each bag just to let them marinate overnight. Alright guys, so here they are. I cut the chicken breasts into fillets and then the chickens in half to cook them better. It was really trial and error, kind of sucked. The chicken fillets were great. The little chickens, I don't know, felt kind of weird. Felt like eating a little pigeon. Never had this before. My husband liked it, but I mean, they were cooked. They were cooked thoroughly. So in the end, I guess they were okay. Yeah, sorry.